These are my clippings after I finish pruning. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Help us get up to 1,000 subscribers. This is for my compost bin. I prune them and mulch them and cut them to this size for a specific reason so I can use them in the garden later on. The black plastic bag is my homemade compost bin. So you can improvise, you can try a bucket. But right now we're just focusing on the bag. That's my compost bin. I try my best to rotate it. I haven't rotated in 3 days, so bear with. There's grass clippings, stems, branches and different things in there along with moisture that I use to help speed up the process. This is another phase of the mulching. If you have a large quantity and you don't have enough bags, so what you can do is your prunings, your grass clipping and fallen branches and stuff, instead of burning them, you can cut them to, you know, whatever size you desired and have them in, you know, find a little corner of your property, and this lower the chance of adding your lowering your carbon footprint and prevent of releasing more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. You just do a little mulch area like this. When you wash, after you're doing your laundry and stuff, maybe you can divert the water or put your mulch right wherever you're releasing your laundry water, and the water will speed up the process. When you mop and clean the house, you can use that same water to throw on top of it. Later on I'm going to come over and cover it with plastic or something. It all depends on how I feel and what I'm trying to do and how bad I need the topsoil. This right here, once you have it properly mulched and broken down, this is a tree that I pruned, by the way, and the same pruning and branches, I'm gonna spread the mulch around the trees. If you're trying to do gardening and plant stuff, you can use it, for example, like, you know, put it in the hole and stuff that you dug to put your tree, you know, just to help out. I use every available resource. Even the grass clippings you can add to it. If you're in the mood, you know, you just rake up the grass and you can add that to your compost pile as well to help with your gardening. If you're an avid gardener.